Sairam to you all, dear children. In part 1 of the chapter entitled Save the Trees, in part 1 of the chapter entitled Save the Trees, what we learned is that trees are very, very important for the sustenance of mankind, and that planet Earth, if it has to be beautiful and its surroundings have to be hygienic, the presence of trees is a must, because it is the trees that help in keeping the surroundings clean by not allowing the soil absorbed by the roots to get dried up. Had the trees not been there, the soil would have changed to dry dust. Thereby, the surroundings would have been polluted by the dust particles, causing lot of hazard. And at the same time, during heavy rainfall, the surge of the water would not have been detected easily without the presence of trees, thereby leading to disaster. And trees are also known for balancing gases in air, in the atmosphere rather. So, trees absorb carbon dioxide that is present in the atmosphere and release oxygen, which is very much necessary for the sustenance of mankind. So we need to inhale oxygen during the course of breathing, right? So now we will proceed with part 2. Chapter is entitled as Save the Trees. So the chapter name is Save the Trees. Class 4, subject English, part 2, chapter 6. Explanation of the third paragraph. The great Indian environmentalist Sundarlal Bahuguna once said, "A tree is like 10 suns because it gives 10 valuable things." What are those valuable things? Oxygen, water, energy, food, clothes, medicines, timber, fodder, flowers, and shade. So as a tree gives these 10 valuable things, Sundarlal Bahuguna said a tree is like 10 suns. Nobody kills his own son. Why should one cut a tree? So nobody kills his own son. So when tree, which gives us these valuable things, 10 valuable things, is a son, in fact. So then why should we kill a tree which is benefiting the mankind by providing oxygen, water, energy, food, clothes, medicine, timber, fodder, flowers and shade. Okay. And yet, for thousands of years, people have been cutting trees ruthlessly to get firewood, building materials, or just for plain land for farming activities. So, almost for more than over, in fact, for more than over 1,000 years, people have been mercilessly cutting trees regardless of being aware the benefits of planting a tree, only because people want to get firewood, building materials, or just for plain land for farming activities. About half of world's tropical forests have already been destroyed during last 100 years. So people are involved in felling trees. So this gentleman whom you are seeing is an environmentalist by name Sundarlal Bahuguna, and here you see the various fruits, vegetables, the vegetables which you are able to see: capsicum, cauliflower and things like that, carrot, etc., which only the trees can give. See the flowers, the beautiful flowers. See the rose garden around. See how beautiful it is. So it's all because the trees are providing. See the fertile, land, crops, etc. And so many, it's giving wood for us to, to use it as a medium for cooking and many other things, for heating water. In good olden days, there were no geysers. They used to make use of this wood, so which is the firewood. Okay. So summary of the video. The great Indian environmentalist Sundarlal Bahuguna said, a tree is like 10 suns because it gives 10 valuable things, namely oxygen, water, energy, food, clothes, medicine, timber, fodder, flowers, and shade. And yet, for thousands of years, people have been cutting trees ruthlessly to get firewood, building material, etc., etc. So even by felling trees, tree is giving the firewood. So we should be grateful to the trees, isn't it? Again, about half of world's tropical forests have already been destroyed during the last 100 years. So here are a few questions relating the video. First question is, name the great Indian environmentalist. Name the great Indian environmentalist. Second question, what is a tree like according to the great Indian environmentalist. What is a tree like according to the great Indian environmentalist? Third question, what does the tree give us? What does the tree give us? Fourth question is, why do people cut trees? Why do people cut trees? And fifth question is, why are tropical forests destroyed during the last 100 years? Why are the tropical forests destroyed during the last 100 years? So I want all of you to answer all these 5 questions. Jai Sai Ram.